Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is another little tips and tricks video, or a quick tip, as I had a series of demands in some of the comments about basic things that people were wondering how to quickly do. So this one is about showing hidden files and folders in the File Explorer. So if you go into the File Explorer, say I'm going to go to the C drive. Now I have a certain number of files here, and we all know that Windows hides a lot of folders and files so that we don't actually go there. It's a way to prevent problems sometimes, but we sometimes need to go there because maybe a fix for something requires you to go into a hidden folder that you don't see. So how do you activate the hidden folders? It's very simple. Go into the Settings app, go into System, go into Developer for developers, and remember, once again, this is what will be called Advanced Settings eventually. Go into File Explorer, and here you have Show Hidden and System Files. So if you do this, now you'll notice that I have these folders here that are kind of and the different color. They're kind of in the background, if you would say, compared to the others that were there before. But these are now hidden folders. So OneDrive temp here, program data here, recovery here, gaming root here. So there are some of these hidden folders, and anywhere you will go, you will see the hidden folders that might be in the system. So this is how you activate them if you need it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.